I have arrived at my second to last stop of the day. So far, I've gone I've lost count of how many places I've gone, but I have not lost count of how much money I spent. I spent $208. I'm on a really great track, and I am ready to tear through this place. Once again, I love the popcorns. See this? This is Fitz and Floyd's salt and pepper shakers. $4. Those are kind of neat. Definitely on the newer side, but still. All right, what about these guys? This is a pretty easy selling set. It's got a little paint loss. They're only $8 though. These are incredible. House. Okay, how old are they though? I'm guessing 80s. Taiwan. $12. I feel weird leaving these. I might look these up just because I've never seen them before, and they're newer than I usually buy, so I don't know much about them. So I'm surprised to find that there was a bunch of sets online between $12 and $15, so I'm not gonna mess with those. These though, even though they have a little bit of paint loss, I can still make some money on them at $8. They're not too rough. I'm gonna grab those. Ooh, what's happening here? $39. Can't do that with the damage. Now, the mini mug situation has my attention here. Those are plastic. These are ceramic. Those are 80s. Huh. Oh, nope. There's like random. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get these. These are a mixed bag. Half of them are Hong Kong and half of them are Japan. $8 for 25. That's super cheap. Let me make sure the Japan ceramic ones, oh my gosh, they all have their sticker. They're in great condition. Yup. That's a yes. Now I have to check this bag again because I don't want to miss. There's a couple Japan ones in here. Again, a mixed bag, but they're just not in as greatest condition as I'd like. I'm gonna take this set though for sure. Oh, I love this snowman candle. The hobbyist giraffes are very cool. Unfortunately, they've got some damage on their ears there. What's going on down here? It's just a weird felt outfit. Oh, I totally wandered away without my basket. Oh my gosh, I'm noticing the time. I've been spaced out. January Angel. She's only $5. She's got a little damage to her trim, but still. Happy New Year. That's pretty cute with the calendar. Oh, she's got a broken halo. Just kidding. These little candle holders are adorable too. Japan, a little gold paint loss. All right, what's wrong with them? They're only $5. I can see past a little bit of the gold paint loss. They're so sweet for $5. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these. Ah, what's this pot? How fun is this? It's an older one too. It's made in Italy. How neat. Need a spot to put this down. $7. What? That's so cool. But I don't feel like dealing with it today. I got a lot going on. Plus, I'd probably keep it and I don't need it. Still love the fork and spoon, but they'd have to be in perfect condition for me to go that far out of my way for them. Pixie Elf. Cute. $15 doesn't leave as much room as I'd like though. These are super collectible. These little doll cases, $15. That's about retail probably, or at least after fees. Can we talk about this epic bar stool and the season's greetings? Oh my gosh, look at all these cute little ornaments. I love this Santa. He's only $5? What? And he comes with a free little soldier. I think I'm gonna have to take that. It's a really good deal. Let's see what else they have here. Not seeing anything as epic. A lot of newer ones. Love all the mid-century glass. Now this parrot, oh my gosh, how amazing. It's a really big one. They're usually a little bit more manageable in size. I don't really feel like messing with that today. I've bought and sold that style before and it's done pretty well. Oh, Las Vegas, my favorite. Needs a little extra something though. Remember what I said about stockings? Just kidding. How much is this? I don't see a discount sign. Very cute. It's $15. I am gonna grab this. We love rubber-faced Santas. I'm gonna grab it if I can grab it. Good grief, it's on there. Definitely taking that. I also cannot help but notice this lady head vase. She's only $25. It is a Napco. Head vases have been a little bit slow for me, although I am tempted to pick this one up. It is such a steal. It would be kind of weird. Oh, just kidding. She's missing her eyelashes. All right, I need to reel it in before I get a little sloppy here. I love both the angels, especially this one. Music box, $12.50 is a good price, but I've had that one a bunch, and I'm not sure how much I can get out of it, seeing as how I've had it so many times. The flocked Santas are cute. Well, the flocked Santa and the doll, but they're too close, and this is cute, but a little too new for me, even though it's only $1.50. Now I feel silly. There's another Santa mug, $5.50, super cheap. I think I am gonna go ahead and pick this up because these usually go really quick. I'm also looking at this owl, but it's new. I think I'm reaching my limit here. I've been bypassing a lot more of the newer stuff. Oh, that's kind of cool. Just ready to find some more treasures before I run out of time here. And boom. Look at this. How freaking cute. Oh, and it's a little Lefton Christmas girl. $8. That's not bad. This set's kind of hit or miss. I'm really into these giant Christmas lights personally. Those are neat. Yeah, how about that? Now they're making reproductions of the little guys. More new old stock. This is also a really fun booth. I found some great stuff in here. That almost looks like Hold Howard. It's got damaged Norcrest. Interesting. Oh, I love this handmade poodle Christmas ornament. That is adorable. The little elf boot salt and pepper shakers. It's been a while since I've seen these. $3.50. They're a little rough. Whoa, what's that? Christmas towel. That is cute. It's got some stains, but it's only 50 cents. It doesn't actually have stains. What is that? What is going on here? Tea towel. Is that stain? No, it's just discolored a little. I'm not sure how well that would sell, but it's only 50 cents. Amidst a bunch of new stuff is another Christ Christmas piggy bank. How much are you? $9. It's got some crazing, but for $9, I think I'm gonna get it. You know what though? The more I look at it, the more I see how deep the crazing is. I'm gonna pass. I think this is my last aisle before I head back downstairs. Whoa. Bisque, Snow White, and the Seven Dwarfs. It's $1.50 though. I know this is new, but I kind of love it. The Santa Claus juicer with like a sombrero. Epic. I'm gonna give this one a good look over It's these booths like this that I feel like I'm missing something. See some Fire King mixed in there, but nothing that's really screaming for me. Glass bell's kind of nice. All right, I made it back downstairs. They're about to close, but I couldn't leave behind these guys. $10. That's a steal. The paint's in like perfect condition. And $14. I won't be able to exactly double my money on that after fees, but it will be pretty close. And it's been a long time since I found one of these, so I'm gonna take these to the register, and I'll see you guys outside. All right, the sun is setting. I spent $126 in there, which is kind of an epic deal, which brings my total for the day. I think it's $334. Even though the sun's stopping, I have one more stop I'd like to make before I make the long trek home.